Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you want to explore different metaverses, you will need an avatar for the fullest experience. Today, I will explain what an avatar is and how you can get them. But before we start, let's destroy the YouTube algorithm so that as many people as possible can see this video. Smash the like, smash the subscribe and hit the bell icon. With all this NFT mania and the recent rebranding of Facebook into Meta, the Metaverse is taking the tech world by storm. As you probably already know, a Metaverse is the digital reality that combines aspects of social media, online gaming, augmented reality AR, virtual reality, and cryptocurrencies to allow users to interact virtually. One of the cool things about the Metaverse is that there will be realistic avatars that will look like their owner or will be able to go through an upgrade, like a change of hairstyle, clothes, a virtual tattoo, and so on. You can even operate a robot or other creature. So, what is an avatar? If you're a social media user or create a personal account on some platform, you most likely upload a picture of yourself or otherwise individualize your account. Now imagine a 3D avatar that not only looks like you, but can be customized in any way you choose. This can be anything from the clothing the character wears, the haircut, to more personal things like tattoos and anything else. Your avatar is a representation of you in the virtual world, so they are a very important part of the Metaverse experience. They allow you to feel like you can express your identity in the digital realm. However, the key aspect in regards to avatars is interoperability. Avatars are one of the most logical interoperable elements of the Metaverse because they represent who you are. You buy stuff for your avatar and can wear and attach them to yourself. These assets travel with you, and that creates a more unified experience when traveling between different virtual worlds. Your avatar can become your wallet. What kinds of avatars are possible in the Metaverse? You have a couple of choices when it comes to how you can create your avatars, and these could be 3D or 2D as well. Recently, avatars have become increasingly popular in the world of VR and in hardware and software systems that can replicate real-world movements using sensors. Usually, all of this falls into one of two basic categories. First, VR avatars. A VR avatar is typically a first-person rendition where the user sees the world from the avatar's point of view. Other world participants can see the upper torso part of the avatar, along with arms but without the lower limbs. You'll find this type in most rudimentary VR apps, which do not require complex leg movements or in-world mobility. Full-body avatars. In a full-body avatar, sensor replicate and recreate the entire body's movements through a kinematic system. As a result, the user has greater freedom of mobility inside the virtual world and can use all limbs to interact with digital assets. Sophisticated VR games typically use this type, and play-to-earn blockchain games implement them too. Where can these avatars be used? They are already exploited for video conferences, online video games, and NFT-based applications and metaverses. Here are a few use cases to mention. Avatar use cases. You can choose to enter any metaverse you would like using your avatar, which allows you to do everything you would normally do in everyday life, but in the metaverse. A nice example is the Fortnite game, where your avatar can play alone with your friends and fight to be the last player standing. However, those are not NFT-based assets. Ready to go out on the town? A 3D avatar creator will be able to give your avatar a perfect look for any occasion. For example, the Ready Player Me avatar platform is getting a unique collection of virtual sneakers and a jacket. The assets are free for all Ready Player Me users and can be accessed in over 600 apps and games supported by the avatar platform. Many other fashion companies are creating branded clothing for avatars, including brands like Gucci, which created virtual sneakers and sold them to users for $9–12. Their Diony's bag was recently sold sold on Roblox gaming site for $4,115, which is more than the price of a physical version. By the way, fashion designers can try 3D avatars. They could use virtual copies of famous models to fit their virtual clothing and get feedback from other platform users. When it comes to NFT avatars, those are more than playable assets. Some gamers sell them profitably after gaining some points or experience. That's it for today. Now you know the basics of 3D avatars and know what purpose they serve. If you would like to use one, feel free to explore our videos about metaverses. We explain how to get avatars and what they do in different games. Don't forget that we are preparing more useful videos to guide you through the metaverse industry. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button and the bell icon to turn on notifications. See you!